Salat Al-Duha, also known as Dhuhr prayer, is a voluntary Islamic prayer that can be performed at any time after sunrise and before the time for Dhuhr prayer, but is preferably performed after the sun has risen high. It is sometimes called the Forenoon Prayer or Ishrāq Prayer. The Dhuhr prayer consists of a variable number of rak'ahs or units, usually performed in pairs, and it can be as short as 2 rak'ahs to as long as 12. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is reported to have said that performing 4 Rak'ahs of Duha prayer is best. This prayer is not obligatory, but it is highly recommended and has numerous virtues ascribed to it in various Hadiths. This is a voluntary prayer that can be performed in the late morning before the time for Dhuhr, midday prayer, starts. The method of performing Salat Al-Duha is simple and similar to any other salah.